You know, it's never a dull moment with Tesla. Like every single day, there's something going on with this company. There's some sort of rumor. There's some sort of statement coming out, and it's never a day where you can just sit back and relax and see your investment just without a sound go up. Not with Tesla. With Tesla, this doesn't exist at the moment. With other stocks, Microsoft, Google, Facebook, Meta, whatever, you can do that. But with Tesla, the slightest thing becomes the biggest thing, and it's on the daily. And I can see why it's hard to hold the stock long term. And I think the reason why you guys watch me, the reason why I'm all in Tesla stock is because of autonomy. So it makes me a long-term investor, which also makes me a calm investor. And I think that's why you guys watch me. So if there's any bad news in the market or any panic, I can address it. And that's exactly what I'm going to do today with the latest rumor, which is robotaxi being delayed. That's the latest rumor from Bloomberg, whatever you want to call them. Don't know how they got the information. Tesla or Elon has so far, when I'm making this video, they have not come out and accepted or deny that. So, we're still going to keep it as 8.8. Nothing has changed unless we see Tesla or Elon coming out and saying that, yeah, it's going to be delayed or not. But this is the rumor. The reason why Tesla stock is down, 8% today, removing all gains since beginning of July pretty much, is because of this news, which, should give you guys a signal that there's a lot of Wall Street analysts and a lot of hedge funds betting on this date. That's, just 8% down today because of that. Now, I get it, the whole market is down, so maybe 8% is a little over-exaggeration. Maybe we could say half of that, 4% down, the other 4% is just the market doing. But it does tell you that the expectation for Robotaxi Day, it's there and it's big. So Tesla, even if they do delay it or not, I don't think it changes anything fundamentally, but it does show Tesla and Elon that, this date is very important. There better be some fundamental changes to the company. Otherwise, it's just going to be a nothing burger and it's going to be sell the news event. This just confirmed it today. Just today with this rumor just being delayed, a simple delay, which is still rumored, not confirmed yet, or even probably just even a rumor. That just confirms it. That confirms that this date has a lot of weight on it, which is really important. And I do know, and I think Tesla knows, that they have to do this correctly. If they don't do this correctly, it's not going to be good for the stock, for the long-term company. Well, not for the long-term company. It's just going to be another sell the news event, a nothing burger. And obviously, Elon did say that this event will be his historic moment for Tesla and humanity. So they better not fuck up. It's simple as that. And if you guys are following on X, if you guys aren't, then I don't know what you guys are doing, but I wrote this on X, and this is exactly how I feel, that even if the rumors are true that Tesla delayed the robotaxi event to October, it doesn't change anything fundamentally. If anything, it makes them stronger because they want to make sure they deliver a historic moment correctly. And in the meantime, if it goes lower, I'm gonna be buying. If you guys already know, I've stopped buying Tesla stock because I've just been buying too much of it and I'm on vacation. I need funds to enjoy my vacation, obviously. But if it does go down like low 200s, high 100s, I can't resist, right? I just can't resist. But it doesn't change anything fundamentally. Oh, we delayed 1 month, 2 months. Okay, they're not ready. Simply, they're not ready. They're not ready to make the most historic day or event ever, right? I prefer them delay it if they're not ready than to half-ass it. I'll be honest with you. So if they're going to delay it, that means they're not fully ready yet. And I'm okay with that. It's okay. We're not expecting robotaxi to be rolled out this year or maybe sometime early next year. However, though, we are expecting them, I'm expecting them at least, to give us a date of when this will happen, right? When they will, launch it in the city, whether it's geofenced or not. I am expecting this, and that's what everyone is expecting for. That is, and I think Tesla, if this is true, if this news is true, they're recognizing that, hold on a second, maybe we're not ready to announce those days yet, so let's push it back. Now, that's just me thinking about it rationally. Other guys on Twitter or X have a interesting conspiracy, and I want to share with you guys because this is a sheesh moment. Shout out to the long investor on X. He wrote here saying Elon was fully aware of the $144 support line in March, and losing this level meant to drop down lower, possibly below $100. And if Tesla went below $100, man, boy, oh boy, I would be over 1,000 shares today, that's for sure. But he goes on to say that so he made a bold move, declared that Tesla would announce their robotaxi project on August 8th. This would be after his 56 billion pay reward judgment. Price then jumped from 144 to 265. Elon gets his pay reward and then he announces a delay to the robotaxi release date. Now, we know that he wouldn't get it yet, but either one way or the other, whether he gets it or not, well, he is going to get it one way or the other. I mean, I made a video about it right here. You guys can check out how he pretty much checkmated the Delaware court. It's amazing. It's a genius move. And speaking about geniuses, he finished off the sentence by saying here, what a stroke of genius by Elon. Gets what he wanted, saves the price from utter disaster, and just delays a couple of months. This is why you buy Tesla. I mean, man, you know what I mean? I believe this. I would believe this, if the, delay is true. But this is classic Elon. So what if it gets delayed 1 month, 2 months, 3 months? Who cares? Who cares? This is a big deal. Let it get delayed. Let us deliver an epic, historic moment. Right? A lot of people are invested in Tesla because of Elon. He's a genius. He's like the Thomas Edison of our time. He is the innovator of 21st century, whether it has to do with rockets or, Neuralink or, Tesla, self-driving cars, whatever, making tunnels underground to solve traffic. He is the Thomas Edison of our century. And he's a genius while he's at it. So that's why you never want to bet against this company and just have it in your portfolio for the long term. Not financial advice, but we've seen time and time again what this guy can do, what Tesla can do. So betting against him, betting against Tesla is just a bad idea. If you're a trader, fine. You can. The thing with Tesla, because it's so volatile, you can make a lot of money swing trading it, whatever. But I don't have the time to sit behind a screen, look at a bunch of bars and candles and all that stuff. I just don't have that time. I'm an investor. I am an investor. I prefer to buy, hodl long term, come back to it when my money has 10, 15, 20x. That's how I do my investments. I've always done it and how I always do. But this time, going all in into Tesla stock, and I can sleep at night doing this. So if you guys are worried about this robotaxi thing being delayed, there's nothing to worry about. If it's delayed, so what? A lot of bears and shorts are now coming out of their tunnels and their mom basements saying that, broken promises. Oh, see, it's another of these fake fraud thing. Get out of here. It's not going to be fraud. Just like what? Cybertruck was a fraud and Model 3 was a fraud and how full self-driving is a fraud. Come on, go back and go home. Go back to your basement. It's nothing like that. And we can see that with the FSD versions coming out, and we can see it in the book. We can see it how Elon and Tesla wants to shape, traffic and just the future of the company with autonomous driving and robotaxis. This is going to come to light. It's only a matter of when, guys. Only a matter of when. Could be August 8th. And at the moment, because there's no confirmation or, denying about it or confirming this delay, it's still August 8th. Now, whether it's August 8th or September 8th or October 8th or end of the year, this day is coming. And once it comes, guys, it's going to be an epic, epic moment. Personally, to the point that I think that it will not be the Sell the News event. I think it will be the day that Wall Street realizes that, whoa, okay, we are getting a date of when they're going to roll it out. They're giving us an idea of how many of them are going to be out, by when, and this looks serious. So we're going to price that in as well. If this doesn't get mentioned on August 8th, then I prefer them to delay it so this can get mentioned, because it's very, very important for the stock price, for the investors, for Wall Street analysts, hedge funds. It's a big deal. I think August 8th is the biggest deal in Tesla's history. So if they got to delay it because that's what they got to do, then they got to do what they got to do, and it's not a bad thing. In the meantime, relax, calm down, be collective, and when there's a buying opportunity, you better seize it. Not financial advice, but that's what I'm gonna do. Let's flip and go. This is gonna be an awesome event, and I am looking forward to it. And if there's a confirmation, you guys better follow me on X, because that's when I'll announce it, or you'll know, everyone will know. But in the meantime, calm down, relax, be calm and collective, and just look towards Q2 earnings, because that's going to change a lot of things. And I made a video about it right here. Check it out. You'll all be disappointed. Subscribe, get your merch, guys. Mine's on the way. Use a 10% code RIPSHORTS to get 10% off. And I'll see you guys in the next video. I love y'all. Let's go.